Alright, check it out. It's a storm right now. It's the afternoon. I've never heard thunder this loud before. See if we can get it on tape. Should have had my camera going earlier. There's the lightning. Here we go. Damn! There it is! What is that? Oh my gosh.